Selling cash-secured puts on Robinhood is a popular strategy for generating income and potentially acquiring stocks at a lower price. To get started, you need to understand the basics of options trading and have a Robinhood account with a cash balance. First, you need to enable options trading on your Robinhood account, which requires answering a few questions about your investment experience and financial situation. Once you are approved, you can start selling cash-secured puts. A cash-secured put is a type of options contract where you agree to buy a stock at a specified price, known as the strike price. If the buyer of the put option exercises it, to sell a cash-secured put, you need to have enough cash in your account to buy the stock at the strike price if assigned. To sell a cash-secured put on Robinhood, navigate to the options trading section and select the stock you want to sell puts on. Choose the sell option and select the put option with the desired strike price and expiration date. Make sure you have enough cash in your account to cover the potential purchase of the stock. For example, if you sell a cash-secured put on a stock with a strike price of $50 and the buyer exercises the option, you will be required to buy 100 shares of the stock at $50 per share. You need to have at least $5,000 in your account to cover this potential purchase. The premium you receive from selling the put option is yours to keep, regardless of whether the option is exercised or not. However, if the option is exercised, you will be required to buy the stock at the strike price, which could result in a loss if the stock price has fallen significantly. To minimize your risk, it is essential to choose a strike price that you are comfortable with and to have a clear understanding of the stock's potential price movement. You should also set a limit on the number of contracts you sell to avoid over-leveraging your account. Best practices for selling cash-secured puts on Robinhood include regularly monitoring your account and adjusting your positions as needed. You should also have a solid understanding of the options trading fees and commissions associated with your account. In conclusion, selling cash-secured puts on Robinhood can be a lucrative strategy for generating income and potentially acquiring stocks at a lower price. By following these steps and best practices, you can minimize your risk and maximize your returns. Remember to always do your research and stay informed about the stocks you are trading and the overall market conditions.